You've all heard of the cloud, and you probably know that the cloud is full of data. Well, a big part of that data is logs. Detecting cloud threats means we need those cloud logs. So how does an organization get those logs into their SIEM where they need to be for analysis, investigation, and threat detection? Cloud collectors, that's how. Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video, we're going to talk about cloud collectors. Cloud collectors transfer logs directly from a cloud service to a SIEM or other data storage solution. They usually have specific integrations with other cloud providers, such as Amazon Web Services, known as AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform, known as GCP. For example, let's say you want to monitor access activity on your AWS S3 bucket, and you want to send those types of events to your SIEM for advanced reporting and search. So you would enable the auditing service in your cloud provider. In this case, it would be AWS CloudTrail. Then you would configure the transport settings to send those events to your SIEM. This way, you can use your SIEM's features to create reports or detect malicious activity on your S3 bucket. With cloud collectors, there are two types of collecting and transporting cloud logs: APIs and webhooks. An API is an application programming interface. It is a mechanism that enables software components to communicate using a set of definitions and protocols. In logging, APIs are used by a cloud collector to collect logs from cloud-based and other types of log sources. The cloud collector reaches out to the log source and provides credentials to log into that cloud. Then it requests any new logs and pulls them back to the cloud collector. The collector does this at specific intervals, maybe every few minutes, and this is called polling or syncing. Now, a cloud platform may have a polling limit, so it's important that the interval of the cloud collector isn't set to collect too frequently. That could end up with the cloud platform denying connection. Instead of an API, a cloud collector can use a webhook. A webhook is a web-based callback function that allows lightweight, event-driven communications between two endpoints. Webhooks are often described as a reverse or push API because they put the responsibility of communication on the sender, not the recipient. This eliminates the need for constant polling and automates data transfer. This is a webhook's greatest advantage over an API, but a webhook doesn't have as much functionality as full API integration. So now you might be asking, which one's best? Which one should I use? Well, it's everyone's favorite answer. It depends. You can see the advantage of having an advanced API in a use case where you need different components of a security solution talking back and forth to each other. But if your needs are more focused on lightweight communication with the sender in charge, well, then webhooks sound better. I hope this was a helpful introduction to cloud collectors and you have a better understanding of what they are and what they do. Until next time, happy log collecting. For more videos like this, check out Exabeam's YouTube channel. And if you're looking for a cybersecurity solution with powerful new technology for threat detection, investigation, and response, and you want to see Exabeam in action, go to exabeam.com and request a demo.